How to mint a No-KYC Retail Voucher. Go to 3pay.3protocol.ai. Click on the No-KYC Retail Vouchers. Scroll down until you see the Mint Now button. Once you've clicked that, you'll need to select your country. For this example, we'll go to the United States. Make sure that you read through and understand the conditions. I understand that I must not use a VPN during the redeem process. I understand that I need to be in the geographic location selected to redeem. And if I did not, or I used a VPN, my redeem will fail and I may lose my funds. I understand that I must not be in the restricted countries list. Please check this list and make sure that you're not in a prohibited area. Please note that refunds cannot be issued once cards have been processed. We suggest loading a small amount as a test initially. Hit Next. You can now choose your product for the merchant that you would like to generate a voucher. Netflix, Amazon, App Store. Let's have a look at Amazon. Hit Next. You can now choose the amount you'd like to load and the currency that you would choose to load the card with. You'll need to have a wallet or exchange where you'll send the liquidity to load the voucher. Then enter the email where you would like the card details to be sent. Hit Next. You'll now be shown the total amount, which is the value of the voucher, the mint fee, the load fee, and the network fee. You'll need to send this total amount to the address that's been provided. Copy the address with the copy button. Take it to your wallet or exchange and send the funds to this address. Once the transaction has processed, you can check on Etherscan, Tronscan, etc. Or you can try clicking the purchase button until the transaction has processed. It may take a few seconds, minutes, or even up to half an hour. But once the transaction has gone through, you click purchase and you'll be sent an email with the details on how to fill out and accept your voucher, which you can then spend at its nominated merchant.